is the actual time for action. The time has come when we are going to launch the music CD at Omar Dadi Boma House. This is the time. So on this note, I will hand over the mic to the chief launcher. He will be the one that will start launching the CD. If he finishes, we will begin again. What we will do, we will be playing you beat by beat of the CD. We don't want to play the whole CD because immediately you hear the whole CD, you don't want to launch again. So you will hear a little bit of it and we will launch. Huh? Thank you.
Everybody here more that overla ebi hand. So somebody say ya ko ba nyanka, you know. Mwale wa ko ba nyanka. Botale be onye ngora no bi na ya, otie nzemo. Also, when the ball got good, I got on the papa, mama, okay. Yeah, we'll be there. We'll go one very big time. So, if you are on my back, I got near Nobel listening to his song. Ihoma, only Homana, the man. So we send our ladies, queens, princesses, and the princes over here. And everything is looking great. So I won't want your clothes broken. Or never in a single overtaking is allowed. So, Bobby and Kenyan, Omega, you know, say to $1,000 now launch your head.
Chief launcher, OG1G, $1,000. When I launch this CD. You already said it. Don't worry about my 1,000. Some more are coming. So, but please, I have an emergency issue here. One man I call Engineer Bruno, see Nigeria is here now. Engineer Bruno, this is the man that mixes all the music you all hear and dance. Is he here? Engineer, no, please, I want to move on. Can we go get him so that people will know him? Thank you. At the same time, I'm moving on. Chief Miluka, mother of the house. Thank you.
And when you cry, we cringe. When you are happy, our family and the community is also happy. I am happy for you tonight because you are celebrating. And because you are celebrating, we will clap very, very, very. Yushinike will always thank you for all the good jobs you have been doing in this community. All you have been doing for our children and for us. Thank you. Asinya Verono. Oga Gazirono. Anabale. Money no longer give $1,000.
This man has been doing a lot too. His name is going to be the Bankers Bank. Okay, Chief Milukwe. Thank you. Now, I'm still waiting for Bruno to be recognized. Yes. Bruno! The walk in the Magimia. Oh, yeah. High-rated engineer. This guy is the one that makes this music and everybody dances it. Thank you. You are welcome. At this point, I'm recognizing the president of Abriba, Mr. and Mrs. Eke. Please. Come over to the high table, please. We go. As we are moving on, I will be recognizing those who are coming in. Can we give him a round of applause, please? Is he around? I know he's around. He's a title man, but a young man of impeccable character. Thank you, Chiveke. You are welcome. At this point, I will have to hand the mic to Chief Wanedo Akaji Akuwan. Man, went two. I was even no one. Akaji Akuwan. Ujinaka Ogarama. Umani Kwen. Umani
Ụmụada dị Igbo mma kwenu. Ndị Nigeria nọ na triangle kwenu. Sir, born one Edo, Akaja one. And I think I'm the first husband. The first husband. I think the Clinton has been teaching me, but I don't know how to. Because una wadiala, ihe ọrụ na-eme Chineke, udo kama. Organization ọbụla udo kama. Obiọma, udo, ịhụnanya karịrị mma. N'abalị taa, anọ m gala in 2 or 3 capacities. The first envelope was from Kwera Regions Union, the Financial Secretary of Jiga. The second one, the People's Club Union, as their chairman with the Weronoka. And as the first husband, of course, they won. Then our family didn't know $1 grand. Thank you.
Akajiako 1. Now we say the woman is the first lady. Now the man is the first man. And I forgot you want to change, interchange. First man. Oh yes, not first husband. Okay, we are moving on. I will seize this opportunity to recognize Akuluno and Enyo Muloli Akuya. They are here. Akuluno, the former president of Anambra, is now our patron. Akuluno, come recognize the eyes so that they know who you are. No, you can come to the high table because you are on your high table. We need you, sir. Thank you. At this point, I'm going to hand over the mic to. Okay, we are moving to, now we have gotten to the end of the table. So I'm going to go back to the other side of the table. Doctor, you are next
invite to come to the table. And then how I'm going to go to the again. When we need aura, when the president is aura community, as I'm doing so, guys, you know that okay? I was supposed to know the machine again. And for me and my family, I am a member of this organization too. So I'm a $1,000 as well. Okay? I'm Doge. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman. The dog. Thank you very much. As the number 1 President Imo State Association. One girl Nimo, they are very happy. You are going to be the next governor of Imo State before you know it.
Anyway, thank you for that compliment. Oma Dati Uma, Una Waka, will not take away. Una Waka, Una Waka. and the community. These are why people be community oriented. As someone who didn't go to as one year didn't go to yeah, they are equal man, you can hammer their roots. That's very important. And either they get the less privileged, the way they can have man. Some time ago, I would have been on YouTube, you know, and I think mothers will be small back home. And the other community health fair. So now, so keep on their up. I know that from time to time, people like that, medical mission. Anyway, any other community also, I know you cannot reach all the Igbo community back home. But any member who shoot from any part of any community medical mission, send down a member, go represent you to there. Oh my God, because our people need the health education to people shall walk now and common preventable diseases. Up and they need help. And I know diverse professionals, you know, nurses and other people on healthcare. So that's where I would like to see you people making, you know, more impact. How many people know Imo State, after my treasurer, hopefully Imo State will go anytime soon. Then on behalf of one of my Korea, Eagles and number, that support you can use the envelope, put the envelope and you look at who there, it put a big smile on your face. So it's then encourage you are number one MC at this community.
The man. Look, your smile alone is worth $20 million. Then I collect Mrs. Rome and Biko Olupagio. I know you and your husband always represent the RTP area. Thank you.
Thank you. Give her a round of applause.
Thank you. We're moving on. The highest fashion man in town, Chief, is from, I don't know, Africa, Nigeria, all over. Peter Umaru, you're welcome. The only man that whatever we do around here is here. He's always there. And he's always smiling. So Peter, keep on smiling.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
I felt that my friend here ambushed me. He invited me here without me knowing that I was going to be on high table. I wasn't formally invited to come here. He just called me, hey, meet me at so place. And then he called me to come to the high table. Notwithstanding, I'm here. Like I should say, I always support anything Nigerian. I don't care which tribe is hosting, I'm always there. Even when I was in Texas, I was doing the same thing. For the fact that I wasn't prepared coming here, I'm going to support the occasion with $200.
I told you No matter what you say, Peter will surprise you. He's a fashion monger. So for those of you who are looking for a Nigerian that will sew your abada, your, what do you call it, shimi? Sorry, not shimi. Trouser, whatever. Peter is there. Peter, you're welcome. Rex and Dr. Mrs. Ogosa. Did I do well this time? Thank you very much. I don't want to make this mistake because it might cost some money. So now I call it good. Elevation of our name, okay? In Jesus' name. Thank you.
One of my wife, Patty, happy what you guys are doing. Tonight, my wife, of course, I gave you $1,000.
Rex. You always been doing good. Every single organ of Chimaji. Thank you. And then I collect these checks, please. All these people that have we been giving them the CD? They don't know CD because now coming to this side of the hour. Engineer Bruno, you came late and you are eating. But that's good. Continue.
When joined the association, she went back and did her research and decided to join you people. And I can tell you she's proud of this association and she's proud to be part of you people. And to support including the seeding and launching, argument in here $500.
Thank you, my young man. Dalo. It's not that easy. Chief. Our Chief Eke. Am I wrong or right? I'm right. Yeah. Don't worry. You'll be okay. You're welcome. No, my brother.
Andy, I'm the boy with I found them about the mama. Infamous the best out chairman, maybe chairman. Everybody more much more later. People have to give 500 support to me.
You are actually chairman. So email of Huma. Yes, at this point, I'm going to go back and call on Oris Noriakwa to this high table. I have been ordered by Donald Trump to tell Oris and his wife to report at the high table. Oris, In order for us to vote for you, you win the election. Donald Trump, Oris, my good friend, Bigo, on the high table. Can we give them a round of applause, please? At the same time, I'm calling on Obuzwe Patrick Chicago. You will announce it. Yes. Obuzwe Patrick Chicago Namunia on high table, please. I have been ordered and requested. We will have to come there and arrest you. Is he there? No, not this man here. This man is already in. Where is Chicago and Sona? We go no. And I'm in the room. We need everybody. Yes. Already and you go. Come on, are you happy? Oh yes. Hold it. Chicago, where are you? I'm waiting on you. President in Buke Association. Hey, what was it? Yes, back. Oris, thank you very much. I ain't gonna get any rule, but at this time, because we are still moving on. When the next here, please. If you are not eating, let us know so that you can get something to eat, please. Because if we are donating, if we are feeding the homeless, we have to feed the ones that have homes too. Not only homeless. And when you need the food, okay, we're going to be moving on. Mother of the house.
Also, so go
ahead. You don't mind? Okay.
No, I wouldn't go. I may not have something to eat.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Okay. I appreciate all of you being here, our guests, our husbands, our family members, children. When my husband, by the way, my name is Ezine Ndidi Wog. Full name Ezine Chief Mrs. Ndidi Wog. I live in Maryland. I came all the way today from Maryland. I'm a member, mother of the house, from the beginning of this association. When my husband got the invitation to be on the high table, The first thing he asked me is, what have we been doing? What projects have we been doing? Because he loved this association. He is unavoidably absent there. And the first time we had this kind of gathering or event, he chairman the occasion. But he gave me twofold messages. So when I went back, when he asked me what we have done, projects, I mentioned that. He has a thing for education. Of course, we all have things for education. And he says he will give twofold money or presentation to our event. One will be on behalf of all of us, to our children. And what he decided this year to do, because the last time he gave out generously, he decided that on behalf of for all the children of who graduated from high school this year, he's going to give $100 educational supply scholarship. So he gave me 8 checks. When I asked, from invitations of graduation, I found out that we have 8 children. Actually, it's 7, but he decided since we are doing things to the community, he's going to give 1 scholarship to a non-member. That's part of representing the community. So now I hope one of the criteria is that the mother must be here. The child may or may not be here, because if you graduate from high school, you may be in college now. So we start off with the community child. And since it's a project that is doing, I need Maria, the project director, can you please keep that down? Because I need you here. Publicity PRO, I need you here. And president, I need you there. Can you keep that, please? And we're going to call out the children, mother of the house, of course, you're by my side. We start off with the community, the child from the community, Manuel Okonji. Can you come forward if you're here or your mother is here? Oh, you coming. For your supply, educational, we want you to do better, to be in school. Emmanuel, here you are. And then your certificate. The second person to receive this award is Ijoma Okoro. Is Ijoma here? Or the mom? Oh, Fufu, come on. That's your baby. This is on behalf of my husband is doing this on behalf of $100 scholarship and certificate. Karen Wanedo, Amama, where are you? Yeah, you can go. Karen? Yeah. Shake hands. Shake. Congratulations. Good job. Good job. Very good. Let's go. The next person is Choma Wosu. Okay, that's good. Congratulations to all of you. Okay? Wow. Chemela Wosu also. Wow. Congratulations. That's it. Oh, the twins. Congratulations. These children, please, we want this to be done every year. It doesn't have to be from my husband, but from any of our husbands to emulate this, because we need to encourage them. We need to encourage them and also support them. When you give them $100 cash supply, that's a big encouragement. That's telling them they will get something better, they will get something higher when they graduate from college. A lot of children are high school dropouts, so they work hard. We need to continue doing that. Thank you very much. Okay. Now, okay, I have to finish. Remember, it's twofold. For the launching of the music to support all the ladies, especially my baby sister and the project manager, all of you, my co-mother of the house, VP, the executive, the members, he's also giving $500. So, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Mother of the House. You all can see it's moving on. Let this be an eye-opener to other associations. It's not a question of convention. Every time we are donating money, we don't know where it's going. Let's give it to the kids around here. So that when they grow, they remember that the money was given from people here. Please, let's think about that. At this point, I'm going to be going to tables by tables times tables. I'm coming over you. So, I don't want to tell the security man to lock the gate because now I want to go table by table. Some people will be trying to tell me, oh, they had an alarm in their car, they want to go check it out. No way. Yes, I'm going to get to back the cargo today, whether he likes it or not. I am on my way. Who are those who are supposed to be behind me collecting this money? If you don't come behind me, I'm going to be pocketing the money myself. Who is going to be collecting the money? Wow. Only you? Did you go pen? All right. Where do I start? Please, if you need me, just raise your hand so that I just come immediately. When you call CD. Let me go to that crowded area. I've seen this beautiful woman who has been waving me all day. I will get to Princess and Prince. Yes. Hello. Thank you.
I like the phone like the program tonight from the president, the medical mission, the education, everything. I really want to support you guys. Also, on behalf of Little Bly here, Wapuna Adro very well treated, but not preoccupied with the soda, because of Bruno, but Little Bly is completely cut off. So, Omar, that will you $350.
Thank you, my brother. You see, despite the fact no nine-year-old the table enough food, he still gave $350. Oh yes, Madam Kolanot. No. Oga Kolanot is somewhere. Again, okay, I'm going to go president in New York.
On behalf of the Young Anambra Association, we're giving you all $200. On behalf of myself and my husband, we're giving you all $200.
Doctor, Chief Doctor, and Chief Nandi Honor, okay? Dalo, I'll go to ambulance if you are not there. But I'm not going to Patrick. I'm going to go cinema. Is this level okay? I'm shaking by their head. Serious. Oh yes. And let's go on. Then CD now. Yes. You are welcome. This table everybody that I know is here. And the next one Nazu. Let's move fast. Professor, you are very welcome. They are complaining too much. Oh yes, we need your support. The one microphone. I don't know why microphone I just told them what they want to know. They woman. And my brother.
Check it out. The first one, $200 on behalf of the leaders. And my family, I give you $200.
Thank you. Hi.
When you know blank check, fill it off. Thank you.
Who is writing it down? The blank check. Fill it up. He said you should fill it up. Oh, there's 1 million there. You go bounce, sir. Oh, that's your problem. Yes. Go.
On behalf of my wife and myself and my family, I'm giving you $300.
My brother, see, you are making a very good move. God bless you. Is telling you that the envelope, even in there, I was on paper in there, never over. Yes. Okay, the gentleman. I guess you won't go. How was she in that chamber? This is Chairman Mbuke. Oh no, my man is not the intermitable Mbuke, one of RTP, North Carolina. About Ghana. Well, flower cover win. Imana, I'll have a day.
Can I get a little bit of peace, please? I think we'll take home. Your regalia, your feet is so good. Yes, yes. But before I go any further, I like respect. Respect calls for what? Reciprocity. Respect is reciprocal. I wasn't invited here. I was not invited. But be that it may, my club was invited. And I like to play it fair. We have some members of Mbuke whose wife are members of this organization, and it behooves us to be here. So on that note, I am representing the Mbuke Social Club. Play it politically right in the community. Spread your word. If you want to be a community inside a community. Don't be a community in absentia. So on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I am only representing my club, which is in Mbuke, and we give the sum of $300 on a community basis. Thank you so much, and may God bless you all.
Learn from him. If you want to do something next time, make sure you invite the association, then invite everybody on individual basis. Go where that all for man. But welcome. Iwe below. Oh yes, thank you very much. I know him on a book welfare. You know, thank you very much. Imazobi is here. Imani microphone.
No, I am Which only change in the law. No, it's still open. It's still open.
Ikono. You won't never proper guy with a microphone. I don't want your microphone. On behalf of my wife, Ebony, Mama, and myself, wow, Obife, you know, for one, look at me, I didn't know $200.
Obiwulu, thank you very much. Thank you. Let me run back to some people I missed. Prince and Princess. Hi. Hi. Prince and Princess. I should have stopped here last, but I decided to come before the last. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. MC. There were no okay. I will try to be as quick as I can, but I have to make a very important announcement. I am embarking on a project, okay, that is hugely capital intensive. A sort of project that will free your children, okay, make your children proud of who they are, just by making them aware that we are all human beings worldwide. And just by telling our children and getting them to know that human beings are limited by nature, therefore nothing that deposited here is without limitations. So we need to get them to make sure that they add value to what is already in existence before they think that some people know better than them. Because once we do that, we will elevate ourselves. It's usually capital intensive, so I'm not going to give you too much money today. So on behalf of my wife and myself, we are going to be giving you a sum of $200. Thank you.
The prince and the princess. Dalono, Agabalono. Oh yes. Let me not forget these high-profile people not here, like Colonel International. On a task of international wise. No, don't worry. Whether I serve from Okoisi or you is the same thing. Okoisi! Bruno, wait, I know this is a very important man in this place. Okoisi! You are too handsome. I'm not even a Muslim in a Polish name. You are very handsome.
Come on, you wake in the morning. Come on, you people they want you. I'm going to give you. Come on, you want I'm if I don't last summer tonight, the North City going to launch. I want to project on it. I'm going to but also give you Macano City Maca. If you don't have to see it, or 200 naira. But to some North City going to launch, I launch here. So people, if I want to start and be buying on us now, everybody here, I will pay in Idu, so what's once one of here, I have to support all. What I am in Ogani. Because when I'm Maka, everything's also here. Nafa, Mana Mudia. Okay, Mana would get I know what I would have to go with so I can remember what you pick up on Rafa. So I didn't check here. All over there, I didn't want anything everyone you're not around. The component.
Thank you.
See the young man that can say it all. Thank you. The man I'm about to give this mic. Oh, now I'm in one place and I call Kola Nut. This kola nut African store. If you get there, any type of kola nut you want is there. Actually, the one I have in my pocket is from there. Let me bring it out. If we are got that dimpa, kola nut. That's the Yamalarola. Mazin,
Ojina Kawan. Oma Dadi Goma, I always salute to you beautiful ladies. I know the two factions. I don't want to make mistake this night. I think the other faction have got hypertension. One of them have got high blood pressure. Which I know the same thing. Uneme home invite officially, and because uneme home invite officially, Agmele Egum Ginyuno, warrior in half. Oh, now with travel invitation later on, I can decide to give the other half. This night, I'm in $300. With 300 more, Ono Damere Mapology, to them invitation. They will. On behalf of Woman I'm making an apology. KR Design 300 goes to 600. Because after all our colonel they go rise in AC tonight. So we have been supporting that stuff. I have to announce this check. Obi, and Lilian Ezuma donate $200. Big on the power of Baka. Where am I? I'm still going back to that side. While I'm moving on, I want to tell you all that Ifeoma Hill that lost her mother last week. I think I'm right. Last week, yes. She's going to have a wakekeeping on November the 3rd. Right here, November the 3rd, please. She's always here for us. This table is owned by women alone. Any man that crosses this table is in trouble. Are we safe? Can I come? Hi. I will got ticket to come over. All right. Imo State women, because thank you. Imo State women. So where are these people collecting this money from me and giving it to me? I'm in Central. I never seen it. Imo State Women Association. Because Ghana Ganiru time is in essence. 200 Imo State Women Association. We go university. And when you was on the Anambra State Association member here. I would you never go on there. It was only one. Okay. All right, we are moving on. Do we have Zogoro? Are you calling me? You're okay, all right in that area. All right, Zogoro, yes, ma'am.
We are recognizing, I will always come back to those who will recognize. There are also their sisters' organization on the other side. They might name their conflict. And when you put it together, even in mathematics, is what we call QED. Everything is equal. QED. Yes. Even now, let me educate you women now. In Anambra State, women also share their father's property. So even now, one day you walk in the property your father, go and fight him, you will win. And when you win, you bring me the commission for getting the information. I have a loan. The one I know is the only Onitsha woman that can control Onitsha.
For me. So my giving car. Yes, I'm your auntie. From what group? Because I'm going to tell you. Because on behalf of my family, on behalf of my mother, Mrs. P.A. Mother, at the age of 95, I'm going to $250.
Oh yes, oh you want to win it? We go call me again. Oh yes, 250. Thank you very much. And for those of you who gave Dr. Hill your own contribution, I believe and hope you've gotten your CD. I want to recognize you all. Thank you very much. We will be moving on. Ejo, I get a microphone. Okay, call and I'm going to go to the way. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, you guys see that now around that now something like this is going on. And when it goes on, friend, no put that. So if you get me no put I will donate $200 to it, and then I will pass on that from George Ndo Okoro.
Hey, this man has surprised me. He man had a governor. Mano is similar. Enjoy one day. Yes. Right, thank you. At this point, I want to do some recognition. The women that came from Greensboro, I want to recognize you all. You are welcome. Thank you for coming. It is not easy to drive all the way from Greensboro. None. So at this point, we're going to move on. We will want that music. Do you all want your music to be played? DJ, the music we are releasing tonight, they want, firsthand, they want people to hear it. Oh yes, Engineer Bruno. here. Okay. The exchange here, World Bank is now being handled by women. Oh my, me too. Oh, yeah, they will see. Because it works. Okay. Because it works. Because DJ, don't forget why you are here. Because thanks. All the woman that the woman now. Let's see how you all learn how to dance your music. Because ambulance to come here and not take her. Yes. Oh yeah. Now so it may be. Only fire, only water, only money. Now only water no. Only water is cool back down. Oh yes. Let the money bless you with body, oh baby. Boy go bless you with money, oh baby. Let the money bless you with body, oh baby. Star boy go bless you with money, oh baby. Sucker, 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 sucker. Sucker, sucker, baby. Sucker, 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 sucker. We are different, loco. Sucker, loco. I'm shaking like a. I want like this. When I come through, they know we survive, so they turn up all eyes on me now. So many things we need to do with your heart, baby. I hear you. Oh yes, yes. You know what I gotta do. She loves me, show me how to do something. No doubt I'm the one for you. I'm the one for the TV every time you do something. The body like Orodo. Oh my, I'm my type of polo show. Yeah. Sucker, baby. Sucker, we are different, loco. We are different, baby. Sucker. Body, girl, you confuse my thinking. With your body. Girl, it's for you that I'm singing. With your body. Girl, don't jump on my body. With your body, you make a man want smoke and a bitch. Sucker. All my friends are the sucker. All I see now your way. Girl, come with them and put down some sucker. And I know your body's not bad from you. Sucker. Baby, come move it up from you. Sucker. Make your body move from me. Sucker. Baby, come jump down from you. Sucker. Sucker, baby. Sucker, we are different, loco. We are different, baby. Sucker. Step in the place, the party's gone. Let them surrender. But I give them what they need, yeah. Another hit, another one. Nicki Minaj, she start to dance. Girl, I love the things you do, yeah. So baby, dance and dance the good way. When you do that dirty one, yeah, girl. We are your baby, we are your baby, we are your body, sucker. We are your baby, we are your crazy, we are your body, sucker. Want to spend money, maybe spend money. While the woman and the woman getting ready, I want to use this opportunity to announce we're going to have a wakekeeping for the family of the Harrisons, and that will be on October 26th. over there in Raleigh Social Event Center. That is 3316 Capitol Boulevard. Please. We want everybody to be there. Continue, DJ. Daddy woman, I go ready. Oh my daddy woman. Oh my daddy woman. Oh my daddy woman. Udo. Oh my daddy woman. Udo. Oh my daddy woman. Ihunanya. Oh my daddy woman. Now running. Oh no. Go see. Oh yeah. Oh my daddy woman, America.
It's like
You all are very beautiful. Niru ke unu ganaga. Oga baluno. At this point, the hall and the dancing is for everybody. So Imalonye ichogona ngini ale tegu ina abati eke. Oh yes, yes. DJ now. Mastercraft on the beat. That's all you need me. Oh yeah.